So now we are going to add the lettings information. So we go to this letting tab. As you can see, there is the letting status. This is automatically updated as soon as you have a tenancy. So as there is no tenancy at the moment, the letting status is vacant, and you are able to change the available date. So when for a property that you've just added, we automatically add this available date with the date where you add this property. But so you will be able to add the available date in the future, but you won't be able to add it in the past, because it doesn't make really sense. So let's say that that this property will be available from the 25th. We save that. Now we can add the rent information. So here in the rent information, let's say that will be 500. And you can see, you could think that that the rent would be 2,000, but here the calculation from week to monthly is the weekly amount multiplied by 52 divided by 12, and that's how we get the monthly amount. And this is the opposite when you add the monthly rent first. So for example, if I want to have this 2,000. This is it. The lowest acceptable price is something that that we will use later on in our tenant onboarding flow, to show you when you negotiate with the tenant, to show you whether this is the price that you are negotiating is currently above this above the minimum that you as an agent want to get as the rent, or if you are below that minimum, and we will show you a warning. We will see that later when we are going to add an inquiry. And let's say that the minimum acceptable rent for this property would be 1,800. You can save that. And here the API availability is something that that is it's a custom feature that we've built for agents that have a website and that want to use our back office as the backend for their website. In order to enable that, it's just a tick, and then the tech team will be able to connect our backend with the website.